Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Highguard game crashing, crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or stuck on black screen, or simply black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. Now the first solution is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Solution 2 is to clear Highguard's cache files. So press Xbox kite button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Now look for Highguard game and highlight it. Then press menu and select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data, reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile and make sure you click delete from console when deleting it. Solution 3 is to clear persistent storage. Go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see this feature in your Xbox consoles, then skip this solution. Solution 4 is to clear alternative MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. Now launch the Highguard game and check if a problem is fixed or not. Solution 5 is to remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove and then re-add your account. After adding your account, launch the Highguard game and see if your problem is solved or not. Solution 6 is to run the Highguard game from the store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. So to do this, type Highguard in the search bar and then click on it and then click on launch game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 7 is to switch network connections. So if you're using a wireless connection, then try using an Ethernet cable to access internet and then check. And if you're using a Wi-Fi, then try connect it to mobile hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot and then check. Solution 8 is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection and then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. Now restart your console and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then select the port one by one and check which one works for you. Solution 9 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in the general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings manual. Now enter 8.8.8.8 for primary DNS and enter 8.8.4.4 for secondary DNS. And then save it and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to reinstall Highguard game. So simply uninstall Highguard game on your Xbox console, then restart your console and then just fresh reinstall the Highguard game on your Xbox and then try to launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, we can easily solve Highguard game crashing, crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.